Hey everyone, welcome to the Crypto ZX channel. If you're new, do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe. But now let's get right into today's analysis, which is regarding none other than Chainlink. Guys, Chainlink is making some headlines across the crypto space. The top performer today. What exactly is going on? What are some next targets that we could be aiming? That's what we're going to be discussing today. If you guys like these updates, you guys know what to do. Continue supporting, and I will continue bringing these updates for you guys. But before we get into it, as always, just a quick disclaimer that anything on this channel is not financial advice. Always do your own due diligence and research when you are investing in cryptocurrency. So as of July the 20th, you guys can see the price of Chainlink is currently sitting at $8.25. It's up 20% in the last 24 hours in all three comparatives: Bitcoin, USD, and Ethereum comparatives. And if we're looking at its market cap, $4.2 billion. But most important thing I want you guys to pay attention to right now is its 24-hour trading volume, which is $1.4 billion. Yes, you guys heard that correct. $1.4 billion, insane amount of volume coming in, which is really exciting to say the least. But now let's take a look at what is going on. You guys can see the blog posted this just today. Chainlink co-founder wants to bring trillions of dollars into crypto from the banks. And if we are familiar with the banking system, the banking industry is trillions and trillions and trillions of dollars. And we saw a massive news that came out just 2-3 days ago, which was that Chainlink is going into DeFi, and you can see this for yourself, ready to build cross-chain applications, from cross-chain liquidity in DeFi to cross-platform games where players compete across multiple chains. Devs can now build advanced cross-chain dApps with Chainlink CCIP. This is really the massive reason as to why we're seeing so much interest flowing into Chainlink once again. And if we're looking at the price, things are looking quite interesting, which I'm going to obviously talk about in this update as well. But if we're looking at it on the daily time frame, you guys can see as far as the entire market goes, especially the top 100 coins, if we're looking at them right now, you can see it's up 20% right now, guys, on the weekly, which is literally insane to see. And we can obviously see that a lot of people are interested right now. But what exactly is happening with Chainlink? One thing I want to tell you guys is that Bitcoin, once again, if you guys watch my other videos, I'm sure you guys are aware as to what's happening with BTC. But BTC once again continuously below that $30,000 mark. We did make our way back up to that 30,300 today, but once again it's back down to this $29,800 level. And also dominance. This right here is a dream come true for the altcoins holders. Obviously some people that were saying that Bitcoin dominance is not a good indicator, I'm sorry to say, but it definitely is. Prove me wrong. I would love to see that, because around this range, which altcoin was moving? Obviously we could say Bitcoin Cash went insane, but since we've seen a reversal, especially this downtrend in Bitcoin dominance, we've seen altcoins really go crazy. You can see this for yourself in the last 1 week alone. A lot of altcoins are up double digits, and especially over the month. Look at it, guys. When we go on the last 30 days, you can see a lot of green across the board, and this should really give you an indication that altcoins are heating up once again. And speaking about heating up, you guys can see Link is up 62.8% over the last 30 days. But now we're going to be discussing what exactly are the next targets. Guys, we're sitting at some insanely important levels for Chainlink right now. I'm going to share my personal thoughts with you guys where I could see the price of Chainlink going. But of course, if we're looking at it from the bigger picture, it still seems like we're still in this downwards trend. But a lot has happened over the past 2 weeks. But we're going to take a closer look around this level and see what is happening right now. So if I zoom in, you guys can see this for yourself. Once again, first time since April 19th, we're seeing Chainlink back above this level of resistance. I've discussed this in my update previously, in my Chainlink update. I said this is that next target, but most importantly now, guys, look at the volume difference. We haven't seen this much buying pressure coming in basically all the way to last November. So this should really give you an indication how important this time around is. Could this be the time where we finally break out of this consolidation phase? Of course, we will see. Everyone wants to see that happen, but the volume is one of the biggest indications. Of course, the CCIP news, that's massive as well. Let's take a look at it on this side so I can give you guys a better look. Let's zoom in here. So pretty much basically since last May, we've been consolidating around this range, and now we have broken out of this level of resistance. And if you picked up some Chainlink just literally a month back at this $4.87 mark, you are already up about 67%. But now the moment of truth, guys, this right here is what you call the moment of truth. It's going to be one of the most important price targets that I think will be coming in over the last 14 to 15 months. If we're able to break out of here, this could bring in a lot of eyes on Link. I'm sure it already has a lot of eyes on it right now, obviously after this massive news that has come out. But I think if it's able to retest this level of resistance at $9.45, which is that next target now, if I were to bring out the measuring tool, that's a move of about only 15%. And look at it from the bigger picture. We haven't seen the price break out of that range for the longest time. Got rejected back in June of last year, got rejected August of last year, got rejected at November, and since then we have not seen the price break. So if we're able to even retest this $9.30 mark, that would be the first time literally since November, before the FTX crash, that the price has retested that range. I think we will see a rejection. Obviously we have some resistance coming up on our end, but I think the volume is enough to push this back to that level of resistance and actually retest that. So we could be in for a new yearly high very, very soon, guys. A new yearly high could be happening, maybe even possibly after I upload this video for you guys. But things are heating up. If we do not see a rejection, I'm personally seeing a rejection at this $9.38. If we break out of there, guys, we could see in the very near upcoming days, the price of Chainlink sitting at $11.60 for the first time since May of last year. So very, very interesting times ahead of us. But I want to hear from you guys. What do you guys think? Are you guys having some Chainlink in your portfolio? Do you guys think this could be one of the big players once again, especially now that they have timed this perfectly, diving into DeFi at just a perfect time as the markets are heating up? Do you think this was all planned from the beginning? And where do you think the future price holds for Chainlink? I want to know from you guys in the comment section. Let me know, and do not forget to subscribe, and also let me know if you guys want to see more updates on Chainlink, and I will bring you guys just that. Love each and every one of you guys. See you tomorrow. I've been Crypto ZX, and peace out.